Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today, I've got something really practical for you. How to insert professional-looking checkboxes in Excel. But we're not stopping there. I'll also show you how to create a dynamic progress tracker that automatically updates in percentages with colorful visual feedback. Let's dive right in. We've got a dataset here, and we want to visually track progress using percentages and color fills. Step 1. Make sure the Developer tab is enabled. Just right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. On the right side, check the box for Developer and hit OK. And just like that, the Developer tab is now visible. To insert checkbox, first go to the Developer tab. Then click on Insert and choose Checkbox under Form Controls. Now we can drag the checkbox anywhere in our sheet. Click next to your first task to place it. Want to remove the default label? Just right-click the checkbox, click Edit Text, and delete it. Clean and simple. Resize and reposition the checkboxes as needed. And that's it, you've got a clickable checkbox ready to go. To copy the checkbox to the next cell, just hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until the plus sign appears. Then drag it down. Alternatively, select all the cells starting with the one containing the first checkbox, and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Now let's link each checkbox to a cell, so Excel can track whether it's checked or not. To do that, right-click the first checkbox, and select Format Control. Go to the Control tab. In the Cell Link field, select C2 cell. Click OK. Repeat this process for the remaining checkboxes, linking them to C3, C4, and so on. Now, when you check a box, the linked cell will display true. If it's unchecked, it shows false. To calculate checklist progress, let's first label it. In cell E1, type Task Progress. This will help us track how many tasks you've completed. Now in cell E2, type this formula. This formula counts how many checkboxes are checked in the range C2 to C6. Hit Enter, and boom, you've got an instant progress tracker. Now, let's level up the progress tracker. Update the formula in cell E2. This calculates the percentage of tasks completed based on how many checkboxes are checked. Want to see your progress visually? Let's add a progress bar using Conditional Formatting. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. Then click on Data Bars and choose a solid fill. Now let's fine-tune it. Again, go to Conditional Formatting and select Manage Rules. Click on Edit Rule. Set the minimum and maximum types to number. Enter 0 as the minimum and 100% as the maximum value. And that's it. Now, every time you check off a task, the progress bar automatically grows. It's like your checklist just got superpowers. You can also group multiple checkboxes. Hold down the Control key and click on all checkboxes to select them. Then right-click and choose Group. Again, click on the group. Now they move and resize together. And that's it. You've created a fully interactive checklist in Excel, complete with checkboxes, progress tracking, and color-coded percentage display. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and let me know in the comments what Excel trick you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.